Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new episode. In this video, we are going to present you with the best websites wherein you can get loads of free resources that you can use in your day-to-day life. No matter if you are a designer, photographer, programmer, editor or whatever you do, these can come handy to everyone at some point in time. The video is going to be a short one and we are saving the best for the last, so watch till the end. Without any further ado, let's get started. In this video, we are going to cover different categories of free resources and where to find them. Awesome PowerPoint templates. In case you wish to take your boring PowerPoint presentations to that next level, you can visit any of the sites like SlidesGo, Discover Template or Slides Carnival to download awesome templates that can impress your audience. Download the template, modify the content as per your liking and you are good to go. Cool looking website templates. If you are looking out for some of the top-notch HTML and Bootstrap templates with the latest design and fully responsive layouts, you can visit websites like HTML5Up, Bootswatch, Templated and ColorAlibi. They have a plethora of amazing website templates and that too for free. Creative illustrations and vector images. If you are following our channel, you would notice that we are so shy that we don't show our faces and rather use high quality vector images and illustrations most of the time. We get it from sites like FreePic and Vecteezy. And if you require any SVGs for your web or app development, you can get them at undraw.co. Also, if you are thinking about what's the difference between normal images and vector images, in general, when we talk about images, we are referring to the raster images, which are made up of colored pixels. As a result, when we stretch any raster image by zooming in, it pixelates and loses quality. And coming to the vector images, they are made up of paths based on mathematical formulas and retain their appearance even when we stretch them. High quality stock images. We get all the high quality stock images from sites like Pexels, Unsplash and Pixabay, which you may already know. But what you probably didn't know is there exists a website called Photo Creator wherein you can create your own stock image so that every image will be your own unique creation and nobody would have used it before. You can change different backgrounds, models and elements to craft a different image every time. High quality stock videos. Like earlier, you can get the stock footage in high quality up to 4K in websites like Pexels, VDZ and Pixabay. Select the video, choose a resolution and download the footage. That's it. Free music without copyright. This has been the most requested category. You might already be knowing about the YouTube audio library and no copyright sounds channel on YouTube to get free music. You can also try WhatFunk, which offers a wide range of music just for $99. Nope, we are kidding. It's completely free.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
Before going to our favorite pick, we would appreciate it if you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And please do comment whether we should make a series about such freebies and free resources. Here comes Mixkit, the best all-rounder website for amazing audio, videos, vector arts and Premiere Pro templates. It has a clean-looking UI and moreover, all the content is free to use without any attribution. We absolutely love it. Another website is All the Free Stock, which is a one-stop portal for all the free resources. You can find different categories of free stuff here. Do check it out in case you keep forgetting all the others. If you are on a search for cool AfterEffects, Photoshop and Premiere Pro templates, check out Velocity, Editor's Depot and the freebies section of Motion Array. There might be many other sites that offer free resources, but these are our top picks. Most of these are free for both personal and commercial purposes, while some may require you to attribute the creator. So do check for any such terms and conditions before downloading and using them. That's it for today guys, see you in the next one.